Wishing you all a very good evening, friends. This is Hartaj from New Colors Academy. Well, as the purpose suggests, I'm here to tell you about the cutoffs of CDS 1 2021. We've already released the answer key for the English and the GK paper, and now we just got the maths answer key. It's 5:10, so we just got the answer key. We're going through it, and we're going to soon post off the answer key for the maths also. These are video solutions that we'll be posting and telling you how to clear the paper. Now, let me quickly come to the paper as early as possible, and what you're looking for is how much you should be scoring. And how much should be your sectional cutoff, and how much would you actually require to clear the paper. Now, there are a number of things I would like to talk about. Why in the past we have had one wrong cutoff which we expected for the last year, but the reason for this has been the number of seats has reduced. Considering the present trend and the number of selections coming in, the cutoffs are going to be on the higher side. So if there were 10,000 people earlier called for the SSBs, now it's 6,000, 5,500, something like that. Lesser the number of people means more the higher the cutoffs. Well, let's make it very simple for you without wasting much of your time. The sectional cutoff for CDS 1 2021 will remain at 20%. How was the difficulty of the paper, especially the GK section, is easy. It was not that difficult compared to previous year's papers. Well, English remained constant. So what you see something which is coming now, and a lot of you are not preparing for it, is the parts of speech. That has come. What section did not come is that vocabulary did not come. So they added something new to it, complete the sentence, which was again a very simple section, which again should increase your cutoffs. Well, as I said, 20% sectional cutoff for everything. Now we come to overall cutoffs. For OTA, I expect the cutoff to be 100 marks. Easy. It's simple paper. So to clear the paper, this should be what you should be actually scoring. 70 in English and at least 30 in GK should make it. Or somebody who scores 80 in English, 20 plus in GK should also make it. So 100 is minimum for OTA. When we come to IMA, now for IMA it will be 138, 140 is what we expect. The maths paper is actually very simple. What I'll do, since I teach maths, so what I'll do is I'll be posting the paper in 30 minutes, how many questions we can solve. So if you really wanted to clear maths, the best way to approach is take a watch, take 30 minutes, and you should be able to do at least 30 questions in that amount of time. And for IMA, the cutoff would be 140. For Naval Academy, the cutoff will reduce. It will be reduced to around 130 is what we expect. For Air Force, it will increase. It will be anything between 148 to 150 is what I'm looking forward to. This should be the proper cutoffs. And the reason why I'm again specifying these cutoffs is because the number of seats have reduced. If they give you more number of selections, say for example 10,000 as it used to be 2 years earlier, the cutoffs will reduce. But if they don't and they continue with the present trend, the cutoffs are bound to be this. Wishing you all the best, and if at all you have any query, and also I'd like to tell you, if you go through our previous years or our previous videos about defense, so there were 4 questions from defense, from the video, from various schemes. There were all the schemes that were from the notes itself, that you see all those videos of the various government schemes. So that should tell you what the course material that we are doing. And it was a very simple paper. As I said again, it, I believe, genuinely was one of the easiest papers that we've seen in CDS, especially for the GK section. And I hope that you are in high spirits. If any difficulty, you can always contact us. This is Hartaj again from New Colors Academy signing off. And for people who are not making it, please don't feel bad about yourself. You can easily improve. First is work upon your English. Make sure your vocabulary, your basic skills are the best. Now, it is difficult, but since you don't practice, you're not going to get through. Similarly, for mathematics, I believe it is about time management, it's less about your number of questions that you solve. So if your speed's really good, you will do well. But it depends upon whether the shortcuts are being taught to you or not. Again, as I said, we'll be posting some videos regarding to the maths, so you should go through it. That will help you understand how the paper of maths should have been attempted. This is again Hartaj, wishing you all the best, and I hope to see a bright future for you. Thank you.